ọmọ kóòtù òjíire ọ̀nà agbára ó ní agbára coalition tí wọ́n ṣe Àtíkù Peter Obi El-Rufai Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá tẹ́tìrì ọmọ àlè ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ pẹ̀lú ọmọ Yorùbá nìyẹn o òun náà ó tún kò jápò pọ̀ láwọn púpù yìí náà láti pé wọ́n dìtẹ̀ bàbá Tinubu tẹ́tìrì ọ̀nà tí Nàìjíríà òfin ní wọ́ọ̀kì nìyẹn gbogbo àwọn Odùduwà ọ̀nà Nàìjíríà àdókùn Nàìjíríà ò ní wọ́ọ̀kì ẹ bá àpawọ́ fún yín nǹkan táwọn ìlànà sọ fún yín coalition tí wọ́n jọ ṣe láti jọ pé láti fi lé APC kó lọ àlefa gbogbo wọn wá tá wọn á ṣe coalition wọn wá fa ọmọ Ìgbò sókè láti fi takò bàbá Tinubu ẹgbọ́ ṣe ti gbé ó ní agbára bàbá Tinubu alpha na alpha ẹ bá wọn pariwo fún yín àwa ń sọ wípé ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀pín Nàìjíríà kó tó pẹ́ jù gbogbo ìgbẹ̀lùgbẹ̀dù ń bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà tó fẹ́ já àwọn tó bá já tán tó bá jálé lórí ẹ̀yin gangan lójú pàtàkì ẹ̀yin lẹ́pàtàkẹ́ ó kọ yín ní ó bàjẹ́ ó làwọn fi ń pawó fún yín pé ẹ tètè pín Nàìjíríà ẹ jẹ́ kí Biafra ọmọ lọ́nlọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá káwọn náà ká mọ lọ́nlọ́ ara wa ẹ fẹ́ àwọn Fúlàní àtàwọn Haúsá lẹ̀ káwọn ọlọ́mọ dá ìjọba tí wọ́n ṣe àwọn á sọ wípé a kì í ṣe ìkẹ́kẹ́ náà wọn ń sọ ẹran mẹ́ran kí nǹkan kankan pa láéláé òun làá fi ń pariwo fún yín pé Yorùbá nìsan la fẹ́ bàbá wa Sunday Adéníyì Adéyẹmọ ó ń pariwo fún yín pé Yorùbá nìsan la fẹ́ nígbà tẹ́ ẹ wo orí àlééfà Niga area president ọmọ Yorùbá ni bàbá Sunday Adéníyì Adéyẹmọ o ẹ̀yin náà sì mọ̀ pé ìjà ìran Yorùbá ló ń gbè láyé ìjọba Buhari ló lé kù ní orílẹ̀-èdè ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o ló lé lọ ẹ̀yìn odi o tẹ́yìn bá tó bá dé pé lóòótọ́ ọmọ ọkọ ni yín tẹ́ bá jẹ́ ọmọ ọkọ ni yín láti ìgbà tẹ́ ti wo orí àlééfà wáyé tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè fa ìwé yẹn ya wọ́n tẹ́ ẹ̀ di Ìgbòho tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè fa ya tẹ́ ẹ̀ jẹ́ kí Ìgbòho padà sí ìlú bàbá ẹ̀ tí bàjẹ́ pé Fúlàní ní kọ̀ǹtò wa lórílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà àwa tó Fúlàní ní kọ̀ǹtò wa àwọn kan wò bóyá à ń parọ́ ni tí ẹ bá àwọn olóṣèlú wa tó wọ́n jẹ́ ọmọ kóòtù òjíire tí wọ́n bá tí ì láàdì Fúlàní àwọn ò lè balẹ̀ tí ẹ ti wá rí nísìn àwọn Fúlàní náà ni àwọn náà wọ́n fẹ́ yí àga lẹ́sẹ̀ bàbá Tinubu tí ẹ ti rí máa play fídíò Very Dark Man fún wa ọ̀rọ̀ tí Very Dark Man sọ gbogbo alamọ Very Dark Man dáadáa ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ nípa coalition yìí náà ni mo fẹ́ kí ẹ fara balẹ̀ kí a jọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ojú wẹ́ẹ̀bọ̀ ti ń là ojú gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní Niga area yẹn ojú gbogbo á ti ń là àyàfi àwọn tí wọn ò ní fóònù lọ́wọ́ nìkan ni ojú wọn ò tí ì là àwọn tí wọn ò lè kọ́nẹ́tẹ́ àwọn tí ìwò social media àwọn nìkan àmọ́ àwọn táwọn social media lọ́wọ́ báyìí tá a ti ní fóònù lọ́wọ́ táwọn social media lójúmọ́ ojú wa ti là á ti mọ̀ pé Niga area yẹn Niga area tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣe ìlú tó dáa kì í ṣe ìlú gidi ìlú tí ó bọ̀wọ̀ fún ọmọ ènìyàn tó yẹ pé màálù wọ́n fàlù màálù jọmọ ènìyàn lọ ṣé ìlú wa nìyẹn ìlú tó fàlù màálù jọmọ ènìyàn lọ wọ́n pọ̀ màálù lé ju ènìyàn lọ abẹ́ẹ̀rí lọ fà gan ni ọmọ kóòtù òjíire ọ̀nà agbára ẹ wá ní ká mọ̀ kó nílùú yẹn ẹ wá ní ká dó nílùú yẹn ká dó ń bẹ́ àbí àti dó ń bẹ́ gbogbo ọmọ kóòtù òjíire àwọn ọmọ pariwo lójoojúmọ́ àwọn ọmọ pariwo fún lójoojúmọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde ká fi ìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan láàrin ara wa ká rí gbé agbára wálẹ̀ lóko ẹ̀wù Niga area ká agbára wálẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ we are more than 60 million population tá a jẹ́ ọmọ kóòtù òjíire kí ló wá ń dẹ́rù bà wá tá a lè dá dúró ẹ̀rù ní ń bà wá tá a lè fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan ká rí pé a dá dúró mẹ́rin kẹ́rù wọ̀ bà wá o bàbá wa Sunday Adéníyì Adéyẹmọ wọ́n ti fi ẹnu wa wọ́n ti pawọ́ sókè àwa tẹ̀rù ń bá dáadé sọ̀rọ̀ síta àwọn ti gbẹnu wa sọ̀rọ̀ síta òun ló fa nǹkan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn àwa sì mọ̀ yìí pé alálẹ̀ ó wà pẹ̀lú wọn Olódùmarè kò ní fi ẹ̀mí wọn kò ní fi lé ọ̀tá lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọ̀tá tí bá ń bínú wọn tí ń wá sùúrù wọn àwọn náà mọ perish àwọn sì mọ mókè sí ó lè fẹ́ dígbọ́ ti ìròyìn ẹni tí bí ẹ̀bẹ́ rí wọ́n nà mọ́lẹ̀ ni o bàbá sọ́dọ̀ àdéhàdé ẹ̀ mọ́ wọ́n fẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ jẹlẹ̀ gbà abẹ́ tí gbọ́ tìbàdàn kọ́ọ̀sì tìbàdàn ẹ tó pè é ní ààrẹ odò jẹ́sí rí àwọn tá a gbẹ́kẹ̀lé nípa àwọn tó nípa àwọn gbẹ́kẹ̀lé ní Yorùbá gbẹ́kẹ̀lé nìyẹn o ara náà ní Yorùbá gbẹ́kẹ̀lé nìyẹn o ẹ tó pè é ní Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá táwọn Fúlàní sì ń pa wá ní gbèdégbèjọ́ kọ́mọ lè sọ̀rọ̀ kọ́mọ lè ṣe bí ọmọ akin ẹni tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣe bí akin tó gbèjà wa ẹ̀yìn ni wọ́n comparison against ẹ̀ wípé ọlọ́gbé first dose tòun láì gbọ́n gba permission lọ́wọ́ tòun gbé lọ́kọ́ ṣe ti nísìnyí bàbá sínú àdéhùn Adéyẹmọ ti fẹ̀yìn ìdálẹ̀ ó dàgbẹ́ wọ́n tún san 500,000 naira fún ìtanràn ṣé ẹ ti rí a ní Yorùbá ẹ má jẹ́ ká bínú ara wa mọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ ká dìtẹ̀ ara wa mọ́ tá a bá ti débì kan tó bá ti yan ọmọ Yorùbá kan jẹ àbí èèyàn wa kan jẹ ó jẹ̀bi ó jàre o ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ tì lẹ́nìyàn àwọn Yorùbá sọ pé àwọn kan lé ọ̀nà kí a tó wá fi àbọ̀ fàdìyẹ owó yẹn ní mí ní ibo la wá sọ owó yẹn sí ibo la fi owó yẹn sí ọmọ Yorùbá Haúsá ni tí ọmọ èèyàn bá ń jà bí kan ó jẹ̀bi ó jàre o ẹ̀yin wọn ní ẹ̀yin àwọn ọmọ yẹn ní ọ̀kọ́ wà náà wọ́n kọ́ gbìjà ara wọn náà tó bá padà gbìjà ara wọn tán wọ́n lè wá padà bá wínú yàrá òkè táwọn náà ń fẹ́ nìyẹn ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa dìtẹ̀ ara wa mọ́ gbogbo àwọn kóòtù òjìrì ẹ jẹ́ ká máa support ara wa níbikíbi táwa ti bára wa ibi táwa ti wà ní ìṣòro tó wọ́n lè kọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ní ọ́ support ọmọ Yorùbá kọ́kọ́ support ẹ̀ náà tó bá padà jẹ́ nígbà náà wàá ẹ̀sẹ̀ wàá dá lẹ́bi pé ká tí mo ṣe nìyẹn ó dáa ẹ jẹ́ ká bá wù tira wa ẹ jẹ́ ká bá wù tira wa pé bá wọ́n lóòótọ́ ìṣọ̀kan ti wà láàrin ara wa ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ gbọ́ fídíò tí Fẹ́ Dagman tó sọ nípa coalition yẹn ẹ gbọ́ ẹ bá mi pín ètò ìkọ́ lọ dáadáa ẹ bá mi pín kọ́ lọ dáadáa ẹ tẹ̀mọ́gbà láti bá mi subscribe lórí YouTube channel yẹn ibi MTV show ló kọ́ ní YouTube channel yẹn gbọ́ ẹ bá mi subscribe ẹ dì bá mi pín ètò yìí kọ́ lọ fà ẹ̀yà ẹ gbọ́ fídíò náà ẹ gbọ́.
All right, so as you all know, there have been a coalition. And this coalition is supposed to take down President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027 and supposedly stop the whole suffering Nigerians are going through in the hands of APC. So this coalition comprises of the likes of Mr. Peter Obi, former Osun State Governor, Aribeshola, former chairman of PDP, Uche Secondus, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, former Kaduna State Governor, Nasir El-Rufai, former AG Abubakar Malami, renowned Jono Dele Momodu, former Rivers State Governor Rotimi Amechi, Dino Malaye, and the one I personally respect, Senate President David Mark, and former VP candidate Mr. Dati Ahmed. Now, so these guys are supposed to take Nigeria from the hands of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, before I say anything about this, let's quickly listen to a little bit of Fela. This song was sung in 1984. And this thing where Fela talk na don dey happen. He say election story unko Obasanjo plan am very well. Election story unko Obasanjo plan am very well. Him take old politicians wey rule Nigeria before. The same old politicians wey spoil Nigeria before. Obasanjo carry all of them. All of them dey there now. You don't finish, you don't finish. This coalition one dey talk. This ADC. Which politician wey dey there be new politicians? Almost all the people here contribute for this country make it also fall. There's no new person there. And why did they decide to form a new party? Now, because of see, take it or leave it. Politics is a game of interest. This particular regime no favor their own interest. Let's take somebody like El-Rufai as an example. El-Rufai complained, he literally complained. Say this government betrayed him. The only reason why El-Rufai is joining force with Obi and Co to form ADC and be in a what they call coalition, it is because he was betrayed in his former party. So what happens if he come here and the interest is preaching to them does not still favor him, what does he do to ADC? He's going to leave it. Again, this ADC, where we are gather now, ADC coalition, they are going to shake Tinubu. Let's assume that they eventually shake Tinubu again in 2027. What do you think would happen? All the APC will come back and join this ADC. All of them are together. And just smoke water. And guess what? This ADC, so Tinubu people don't there now, they wait. All these guys are waiting for their own share in 2027. Now the highest bidder. They will still betray this ADC very soon. Nigerians are happy, of course. They don't see lesser evil. All of them are the same. To me, all of them are thieves. To me, all of them, they be thief. All of them. All of them, they be thief. But it's just that when I just say, okay, yes, this one, and a lot of them say, now the media, they control now. Because if we really know what they do as youth, don't be all these thieves who will shuffle, they bring back to ourselves. Don't be all these thieves. Some of them don't be governor before. Go and check their states. What does their state produce? What is the standard of living in those states where they don't rule before? Do you understand? All of them, Tinubu, Atiku, all of them are the same thing. All of them are the same thing. All of them are the same thing. So if you like the shout, and the only way, like I said, if just assume, say ADC win, APC go gather control. For this country to work, that's the camp, in camp, by camp. They don't suppose to set boundaries for them. So okay, once you don't decamp enter this party for 8 years, you cannot live there. At least if it makes more sense. But here you go say, Wike, then PDP, they work with APC, they scatter PDP. Now all of them don't gather, say they don't leave the place for Wike. Nigerians now go, oh my God, Obi, where problem will happen now? Now this Obi, I want to see where they won't give Obi. Is he going to be president or vice? Atiku cannot be vice again. Atiku cannot be vice again. And Atiku no go dey there, may they go give Obi. I'll be surprised if they do that. But still, it still does not really guarantee anything. You know why? You know why it does not guarantee anything? Because all these men in this ADC are men of their own personal and selfish interest, not men that are for the growth of the country. I said, Tinubu men did here. I don't want just call name. At the top of my head, I think of one or two. When we say if time reach, they go leave, they go betray this ADC now. Enter. Because at the end of the day, this ADC na PDP. They go betray, go. Let me 2027 when they come so. At 2027 now, Judas are there. Again, go and check the statistics of all these people. Go and do a background finding of all these ADC people. Plenty of them don't loot. ESCC don't carry them. Some of them don't. No, there's no story there. There's no story. And they can always come back because of one thing. Nigerians still think one is better than one. They don't see all of them are for their personal interest. APC know they share money. APC they only share money within themselves. PDP they share money round. Now chop by chop, the PDP, all our country money, everybody they chop. Money where they will use and take do infrastructure, they produce, they do this, they do that, make country they grow. They will carry on during the election, come share for now. It did their answers. Why they know is that work? But I'm not campaigning for anybody, nothing will concern me. But I will tell you for free. This PDP, this ADC, APC, CCC, PD, once D they inside, C they inside, all of them, they are all the same. All of them. Same formats. Go to cycle 70 years old man, 80 something years old man. Come on. But anyways, ADC we wish you luck. The only reason why I think Nigerians want to even answer you now because they want to pick a lesser evil. Not because of say the physical will liberate us from suffering. It's just the truth. No, again, me, that's my contribution. I don't vote nobody. I won't say I won't vote. I won't vote. I'm not campaigning for nobody. Maybe on that day I'll go decide. Who knows? I don't register political party before that time. Like I vote myself. Or vote the person where I want to bring as my own candidates from the Rattle Fourth Arm Nigerian movements. This all of don't play. All of that will learn. If I don't open ice cream, and you will learn the hard way.